In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Maps default on iPhone. Here's the honest starting point. On iPhone, you can't completely replace Apple Maps as the system-wide default. Apple still reserves certain actions for Apple Maps, like directions from Siri, tapping addresses in the Contacts app, and some system-level links. That said, you can set things up so that, in day-to-day use, most of the links you tap will open in Google Maps instead. Think of it as making Google Maps behave like the default in most places where you actually interact with links. The key is to change which apps handle your browsing and email, and then tell those apps to use Google Maps for addresses. First, set Chrome as your default browser. On your iPhone, open Settings, scroll down and tap Chrome, then tap Default Browser App and choose Chrome. This simple switch makes a big difference. When you tap a map link on a website or many links shared from other apps, iOS will route it through Chrome, and Chrome will hand it off to Google Maps when appropriate. If you don't see the default browser app option, make sure Chrome is installed and updated, and that your iPhone is on a reasonably recent iOS version. Next, set Gmail as your default mail app. Go back to Settings, tap Gmail, then Default Mail App, and select Gmail. This ensures links you tap in emails won't fall back to Apple's apps by default. It lines up your browsing and email so they both prefer Google's ecosystem, which is what allows Google Maps to take over more often. Now enable Google Maps inside Gmail itself. Open the Gmail app, tap the menu icon in the top corner, go to Settings, tap Default Apps, and choose Google Maps. This last piece is important because it tells Gmail exactly which Maps app to use when you tap an address in an email. With that toggled, addresses in your inbox should consistently open in Google Maps. After you've done this, most map links you tap in Chrome will open in Google Maps. Locations you tap in Gmail will also open in Google Maps. And many shared links or addresses from other apps that respect your browser and mail defaults will follow suit. Still, a quick reminder, Siri will continue to use Apple Maps, and some apps are hardwired to Apple Maps no matter what. That's normal on iOS. With these settings, you'll get the practical feel of Google Maps as your go-to on iPhone without fighting the system. Thanks for watching and enjoy smoother navigation with your preferred Maps app.